Tesla and BYD, two giants in the electric vehicle space. One from Silicon Valley, the other from Shenzhen. But in 2025, who's really leading the global EV revolution? Welcome to the Global Showdown, where we compare the world's top superpowers, one battle at a time. Today, it's Tesla versus BYD. Let the EV war begin. Let's start with some quick background. Tesla, founded by Elon Musk, is the world's most well-known EV company. It popularized electric cars in the West with models like the Model S, 3, X, and Y. Headquartered in Texas, Tesla is valued at over $800 billion, with gigafactories across the US, Germany, and China. BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, is a Chinese automaker founded in 1995. It started as a battery company and later became a leader in both EVs and hybrids. In 2023, BYD actually surpassed Tesla in total EV sales worldwide. In 2024, BYD sold over 3 million electric vehicles, including plug-in hybrids. Tesla sold around 1.8 million, all fully electric. While Tesla still dominates in markets like the US and Europe, BYD is crushing it in China, Southeast Asia, and expanding fast in Latin America and the Middle East. In pure volume, BYD is winning. But the type of vehicles and margins matter too. Tesla is known for innovation, from its autopilot system and full self-driving FSD beta to its 4,680 battery cells and minimalist designs. Its software updates are unmatched, and Tesla's supercharger network is a massive advantage in the West. But BYD isn't far behind. Their Blade battery is one of the safest and most efficient on the market. They're also vertically integrated. They build their own chips, batteries, and even semiconductors. Plus, BYD's vehicles are getting smarter with DiPilot, their own driver assist system. Tesla's pricing ranges from $40,000 to $120,000, depending on the model and market. BYD, on the other hand, offers electric cars starting as low as $15,000, making EVs accessible to the masses. That's why BYD is winning in emerging markets. They're affordable, reliable, and improving in quality fast. Tesla is focused on expanding production in the US, Germany, and India. They're also opening up the supercharger network to competitors, creating an EV ecosystem. BYD is going global too, with factories in Brazil, Thailand, Hungary, and soon Mexico. They're targeting regions where Tesla has limited presence, especially in Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Their export strategy is aggressive, even supplying EV buses in Europe and taxis in the UAE. Tesla's future hinges on its success in FSD, the Cybertruck rollout, and energy storage. If they master autonomous driving first, it's a game changer. BYD's edge is in scale, affordability, and diversification. They make buses, commercial EVs, and even monorails. Their fleet is broader and built for mass adoption. The EV race isn't just about who makes the best car. So, who's winning the EV war? Tesla or BYD? Tesla still owns the premium EV brand and tech edge, but BYD is dominating in sales and scaling fast. The real answer? Both are shaping the future of transportation. Let us know in the comments. Which one do you think will dominate by 2030? Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more global battles, only on the Global Showdown.